Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MX860 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX860 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a Canon website here. This is Canon support for PIXMA MX860. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. Scrolling down again, you want to go where it says My Printer underneath file name. Select the download button. And once it's downloaded to our computer, go ahead and open that up. It should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. And then you can select next on this installer. Select your region as well as country. You need to accept the end user license agreement to continue as well. And if you so choose to change the destination folder, you can, but we're just going to select next for the purpose of this tutorial here. And then we are going to create a desktop shortcut because if we open that up, you'll see there are additional settings you can explore in here regarding printer settings, printer status, as well as troubleshooting. If you're having an issue with your printer not being recognized, you may want to select Diagnose and Repair Printer, and then walk through the on-screen directions about troubleshooting your printer issues. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.